So today we'll do sum of AP series of n terms. So get a formula here. The proof is not required, only we need a formula. Sum of n terms of AP series. So I say a plus d, a plus 2d, n terms means a plus n minus 1 into d. This is also called as last L. Okay, so it has two formulae. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn equals to n by 2 a plus n. Remember, L and An both are same. A plus An or A plus L both are same. So see some questions on this. Suppose your question is find the sum 2 plus 4 plus 8 to 15 terms. Means like this, there are 15 terms. You have to find its sum. So here a equals to 2, b equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now look at here, up to 15 terms means n equals to 15. Okay, first you write down the formula Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then Sn S15, because n is 15, 15 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 15 minus 1 into d equals to also 2. 15 by 2, 4 plus 14 into 2. So how much? That is 15 by 2, 4 plus 28. 15 by 2 into 32. 16. 240. See a question from your textbook. Suppose we have a question 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12, 1 by 10, 11 terms. Method is same, only pattern is different. A equals to 1 by 15, d equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. What is LCM? 12 and 15. Find out. 12, 15. 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 4 5 ja, 23 ja, 60 is LCM. 60 by 12 is 5, 60 by 15 is 4. 1 by 60. 1 by 60. Okay, 11 terms, n equals to 11. So Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. Okay, so how much? That is 11 by 2, 2 by 15, 10 by 60. 0 cancel. 11 by 2, 15 and 6 का LCM. 3 times 5 2. 30 is LCM. 15 2 is 30. 2 into 2. 6 5 is 1 into 5. 11 by 2. 4 plus 5. Directly write 9 by 30. Okay. 3 3 is 3 10 is 33 by 20. Okay. This is one pattern. See the next one. Let's take, so question number 1 is homework for you. You can write exercise 5.3, question number 1 as homework. Let's see some question from 2. What is 2 given? Find sum. Find sum means 7 plus 10 half plus 14, 84. This is different. There it was up to 10 terms like that. How many terms are there not given, but the last term is given. Say what you need? You need A, you need D, you need N. A is given, D you can find out, N we have to find out. Okay? Because a cell may you have 3 parts, A, D and N. These 3 are required. So A is given, D will be this minus this, that will be D. So N you have to find. How to find N? N will come from last term. Okay? So look at here. A equals to 7, D equals to 10 half minus 7. 21 by 2 minus 7. 21 minus 14. 7 by 2. Okay. So now how to find? This is your N. N equals to 84. What is the formula of N? A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 84. 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 2 equals to 84. So N minus 1 by 2, N minus 1, 7 by 2, 84 minus 7. N minus 1, 7 by 2 implies equals to 77. So this will go up, this will go down. So N minus 1 equals to 77 into 2 by 7. 7, 11. That is 22. N equals to 22 plus 1, 23. Any got? Acha. N means cell. This is same thing. A cell equals to, last term is given means you will use N by 2, A plus N will use. So when the last term will be given, we will use this one. So N means 23 by 2, 7 plus 84. Because the last term is 84. So how much you got? 23 by 7, into 91. 7 1 13. 13 3 is 39. 13 2 is 26 3 29. Okay. So remaining question number 2 homework. Question number 2 homework. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. In ANFP, A is given 5, D equals to 3, AN equals to 50. Okay, find N SN. SN. Okay, look here. Every time what did I say? SN के लिए you need 3 terms A, D, N. A is given, D is given. N is not given. N will come from AN term. So write down AN equals to 50. A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 50. So 5 plus N minus 1 into 3 equals to 50. 5 will go that side. N minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5, 45. N minus 1, 45. This 3 will be divided. 15. N equals to 15 plus 1, 16. So N you want 16 now? You got N. So SN. SN means SN equals to N by 2 A plus L. Why A plus L? Because AN means last term is given. So N is how much? 16. 16 by 2. A is how much? 5. AN is 50. Okay. So 16 by 2 is 8 into 55. 440. Simple questions, formula based, not difficult. See second part of the question number 3. A equals to 7. A13 equals to 35. Find D S13. So when you are asked S13, that means your N is 13. Your last term is also. Got my point? Means A13. From S13, if you want to find A13 is given, means this is your last term. Anyhow, what is A13 formula? A13 equals to A plus 12D, which is equal to 35. A में 7 put करो. 7 plus 12D 35. 12D equals to 35 minus 7. 12D equals to 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. 4 3 is 4 7 is 7 by 3. Okay, S13. When you find SN, that is N by 2, A plus N, S13 will be 13 by 2, A plus N. Because N is given, that N is your value here. So 13 by 2, 7 plus 35. How much? 13/2 into 42. 270. Got it? See another question. डेट वाला तो इन्फेक्शन होगा. अच्छा, थर्ड is homework for you. Exactly same method. Then you go to fourth question. Fourth is different. Third is question number 3 as homework. Fourth part. Fourth is given a 3 equals to 15, s 10 equals to 125. Find d 18. Okay, so look here. A3 means a plus 2d equals to 15. So what is a then? 15 minus 2d, because you would put this value in S10. What is S10 formula? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because n is not given. So when n is not given, we will use this one to find the value of n. So now S10, 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. S10 is given us. What is S10? 125. So 125 equals to 5 into 2a. A is what? 15 minus 2d. 2 into 15 minus 2d plus 9d. Okay. Simplification based method you see. This 5 you divide here. 125 by 5 equals to, this is 30 minus 4d plus 9d. So 5, 25. So 25 minus 30, this is 5d. So what did you get? Minus 5 equals to 5d. d equals to minus 5 by 5. Cancel. Therefore d equals to minus 1. d you got. Then comes up a 10. A10 means a plus 9d. So a is, how much is a? A we have not found out. Let's find a. A is 15 minus 2d. A equals to first 15 minus 2d. So 15 minus 2 into minus 1. 15 plus 2, 70. Therefore A10 equals to a plus 90. A equals to 70 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9, 8. Next question. 5 is same, you will do. I think I have to do question number 6. 5 is homework for you. Question number 3, 5 is homework. Now question number 3, 6th part. A is 2, D is 8, Sn equals to 90. Find N and An. Okay, this is different question. So what you need in Sn? A, B, N. A is given, D is given, N so we cannot find out here because N is not given. So let's write what is Sn formula. N by 2. Last term is not given, so to use this formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn की जगह पर लिखो 90 equals to n by 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. This 2 you can bring here. 90 into 2, n into 4, this is 8n minus 8. So 180 equals to n into, this is 8n minus 4. So it will be a quadratic equation of n. We have to solve here. So 180 equals to 8n square minus 4n. Okay, you can divide by 4 also. Divide by 4. Let's take this one to that side, then you divide. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. Now you divide by 4 because it will be a very small number. 4 by divide means 2n square minus n. 4 means 4 4 is 16, 2 0, 45 equals to 0. So how to split? Splitting middle term you can do 2 into 45 product 90. So 90 का factor 2 45 3 15 3 5 5 1. How to get 1? This is 3 2 is 6 or 3 3 is 9, 2 5 is 10. That means 2n square minus 10n minus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. Okay, so implies 2n common n minus 5 plus 9 common n minus 5 equals to 0. So n minus 5 common 2n plus 9 equals to 0. N minus 5 equals to 0. 2n plus 9 equals to 0. So n equals to 5. So 2n equals to minus 9. n is equal to minus 9 by 2. But this is rejected. Why this is rejected? Because number of terms cannot be negative or fraction. So what did you get then? We got n equals to 5. n equals to 5. Now what is n? Like a plus n minus 1 into d. So a was how much? Just a minute. A was 2, d was 8. A is 2, 5 minus 1 into 8. 2 plus 4 into 8. plus 32, 36. Okay. Seven you try. 8 also. 8 I'll do now. 8 part. Question number 3 का 8 part. So 8 part is n equals to 4. n equals to 4. d equals to 2. Sn equals to minus 14. Find n and a. Find n and a. So what to do? Sn is given, n is given. Here is the clue. n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 4. a plus n minus 1 into 2 equals to 4. So implies a plus 2n minus 2 equals to 4. a equals to, a you first find out, this will go that side. 4 minus 2n plus 2. a equals to 6 minus 4n, 2n. Got it? Now Sn is given you minus 14. But Sn is minus 14. Which formula of Sn you do? Now n by 2 a plus n, because your last term is given. Okay? So equals to minus 14. So n by 2 a की जगह पर 6 minus 2n, d की l की जगह पर what did you write? 4. l means n. What is l? l means n. So 4 equals to minus 14. So how to solve? Take this 2 to that side. So n into, this is 10 minus 2n equals to, or n by 2 लिखो, equals to minus 14. So implies n by 2, you can take 2 common to cancel here. 5 minus 8. You can take 2 common from here, so that this 2 is cancelled. What did you get? n into 5, 5n minus n square equals to minus 14. So if I take to that side, n square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. Seven twos are 14. So what will you write? N square 7n minus 2n minus 14 equals to 0. So n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals to 0. So n common, n minus 7 plus 2 common, n minus 7 equals to 0. So n minus 7 common, n minus 7 common, n plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, then what did you get? N minus 7 equals to 0, n plus 2 equals to 0. n equals to 7, n equals to minus 2. ये तो रिजेक्टेड हो गया. Therefore n equals to 7. Okay, then what you will find? A. What was A? Okay, 6 minus 2 and I think check it. I think 6 minus 2 and 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14, that is minus 8. Okay. So remaining question of 3. 2 more questions you try to solve. Then 4 and onwards some different patterns we will do tomorrow.